The first question today video is computer. The term computer is derived from its answer is option A, Latin. Next question, who is the father of computer? Its answer is option B, Charles Babbage. Next question, the basic operations performed by a computer are, its answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, who is the father of internet? Its answer is option B, Vint Cerf. Next question, if a computer has more than one processor, then it is known as, its answer is option B, multiprocessor. Next question, a light sensitive device that converts drawing, printed text or other images into digital form is called, its answer is option B, scanner. Next question, www stands for, its answer is option D, World Wide Web. Next question, a collection of system program that controls and coordinates the overall operations of a computer system is called, its answer is option B, operating system. Next question, what type of operating system MS DOS is? Its answer is option A, command line interface. Next question, which technology is used in compact discs? Its answer is option D, laser. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।